Welcome back to my another video. We're going to eat. I'm not actually that hungry, bro. I'm just gonna get up. Soldier! Come to my castle!
Okay, sir.
Line up!
Okay. Oh, black.
Bro, asli bro ka talaga, soldier. Mac! Mac, soldier! Laog sa castle! Mac, Mac, sa inutan ka, Mac! Mac! Sa inutan... Red, sa inutan... Naku, yan, sa inutan si Mac Makaya! Bro, ka makumanda... Mac, sa inutan ka ba? Bawa kang commander! Red, diyan ka sa tao ni Top Top ni Liam. Top, pantay ka ba kay Jared? At bang sago, straight. Soldiers, suit up!
Kamu na?
Suit up na to! Di pa ko na sabing magsulot ng helmet. Kinuha mo na kaya. Soldiers, helmet! Chest plate! Leggings! Boots! Swords!
George, may iron sword ka mo? Yeah. Patabang daw. May itim, may stick. I got one. Ay, ikaw ko. Ate
Liam!
Di ka daw makmaga daw ako. Makmaga ko po.
Ano ni Red? Tinao mo si Iron Sword mo. Okay. Oh. Nako ni Liam. Si Stick Yam, bigay mo kay Ashley. Uy, nanawara si Soldier. Isang nawara. Bro, Mac. Eh, si Top. Bro, Top. O, tinadaw. Magib na lang daw. De. Ano na? Iyo. Oh, sino ka ko? Bro. Ayun, tao ba yung sako to? Oh, dahil naman, kumalik ka mo di, throne ko ni. May talaga ko nakikit sa throne, bro. Kasi ang papawan nito. Ayaw ko na palang Ashley Iron. Oh, Ashley, humalik ka nga. To, ma, kumalik ka, di ko na palang kong Iron. Oh. Bro. Iron Sword, Ashley. Oh. Puto na. Guys, line up again. Line up. So, me and Liam are going to explore.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut woods. Mac, balik mo, Mac, hindi Mac, naku amo talaga, Mac. Itong nga unig din carpet, naku amo. Okay, guys. Me and Lee, oy, magdamog line up, bay, ano ni, scatter. Line up! Line up! To, pantay ka ba ki Jared? Actually, dali. To bagaw mo to. Jared ka, hero pa man kaya niya. Dahil nga para hero. Okay guys, Mac and Top are going to protect me. And Jared going to protect Liam. Soldiers, go out. Follow me, Top and Mac. You, Jared, follow Liam. Come on. Bukaan mo, Jared, kay Liam ang gate. Bukaan mo kay Liam ang gate. So, Liam, I'm gonna cut some woods and you're gonna kill 10 animals for our food, okay? Okay. Ay, wala akong torch.
I got one. Liam, magdidika ako. Liam! Hi, guys.
Follow me. Mac, Top, mag-follow na kamo sa ko. Mac, Top. Mac, kaya magsabi ka na lang sa kuyam kung nakakil. Kiniyam ka magsunod. Sabi, Ashley, bilangon mo Ashley kung tira na siyang nadaog ang ni Liam, okay?
Ayaw ka lang na.
Two na yan. Mag-wait lang ka mo sa baba. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make a camp here. Make tayong camp dito. Majana.
One here. I got one. Marna. Come here, Derek. No. Here.
Guys, Majana. Camp inimak. Laog na kamo.
7 na.
Uy, Top, nasain ka na. Ay, na. Mac, magiling ka lang magsako. Mac! Mac! Magiling ka na sako. Hindi ka na.
If I'll slap you in the face.
Magkurahaw ka, Mac, iyo.
10 na. Execute Liam!
Luna.
I'm coming to go, Leo.
Top, dali.
Liam, come here.
Top, dali. Mac, kurahaw ko, Mac.
Execute Liam! Ano? Yes, give me.
Ano execute, sabi ko? Arrest!
Alright, Liam! Oy! 10.
Because you're the chosen one. Follow! Una, yep, they ko follow. Follow us or I'll kill you in Minecraft. No. Lead him to the base, dali! Corner him at every cost! I think we failed.
If you fail, you're so cool, Liam. Nah, I have more blocks.
Guys? Liam, no. Please don't. Please. Nah. I'm gonna get some water. I'm going to clutch. Guys, mag-get down ka mo. Dali. Hoy, Danny, ito ka ng armor ko! Pag may nagkuha kang gamit ko, kamusak ko.
Kaya, Liam, calm down. Why do you want to execute me? I'm not.
No, bro. We're not going to execute you.
Is this a joke? Bye-bye. It's a joke.
No, we're not going to execute you. We're just putting...
Just messing around.
No, guys. We're just putting him in jail, bro.
You come here on behalf of you.
You did a big mistake. If you know what your mistake, we're not going to put you in jail.
I don't know what you say. Oh, shoot.
Si gamit ko!
No! One heart na lang ako. No.
Oh, not so tough.
And you can go.
Na.
Too hard, I need food.
Ano kayo may nagbibuild? Tayo may nagbibuild!
Oh, shoot! Here, Leo. I'm with you. I'm following you. Don't repeat.
Liam! I said... Bro! Dinadali do sabi ko ilag sa jail!
Don't send him out.
You dumb, bro! Dumb ka nga! Dumb ka! Dumb!
But I didn't kill him.
Kasi na si Liam. Liam! Yam sako, Yam. Okay, Yam, bro. I'll give you your stuff. Just come to our base. Just follow my Chill.
Hello.
Chill. Guys, dahil mo nito pag-help.
No. And why?
Follow us. Follow me.
Follow. Okay.
Yep. Oh, yaw na si Liam. Ipa-follow because you're the chosen one. You're so handsome to be left alive. Okay. Follow. I-follow na lang. Oh, ano na. Ipa-follow na nito sa si Liam. Pagdalaga nito backwards. Liam, follow me. Liam, I said follow me. Guys, open the gate. And also open the cage. Come on, Liam. It's not there, bro. Come here. Open the cage. Ouch, si Tuya. Bro. Nah, bro. Don't worry. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Chill. Liam. Liam,
Don't worry, I'm gonna hurt you. Hey, I have a good idea.
follow me. Close the door. Come here, Liam. Top. Lead us to the cage. Go. Come on.
Cannot do it.
Pa-backwards kaya ang ano mo. Ang
Say so.
Come on. Come here. Bro, nagsain si Liam. Yam, follow me.
Where's Liam?
No, Liam. Come on. Yama! Magmasain ka! Wait. Guys, wait. Go in.
Give me that.
And also this. Nandyan na sa'yo! Nandyan na sa... Ay! Nakuha mo na! Nakuha mo na yan! Guys!
Hi, Ate Ange.
Don't cry, bro. Mak, bantayan mo, Mak, dyan, Mak!
Ano kami makakali?
Mak! Mak, bantayan mo, hindi magsiliya, magiling-hiling ka lang kili... Mak! Bantayan mo, hindi!
Really, what is it? Easily.
Mak, ay, ano, Jared, dali na, ibantay mo na, hindi.
Ako!
Mak, sabi ko, magbaya, mag-ilag! Magbantay ka baya, duman ki, ano, kiliyam! Mak! Bako man,
Break ni Jared!
Mak! Bako man, dyan, mag-igdig ng asa ko! Hindi ka magbantay. Hindi ka magbantay, Mak. Magiling-hiling ka, igdi kiliyam, di ka dyan magali, ah. Jared, umigdi ka ba, Red?
Sorry, Ma.
Umigdi ka, Red. Ako na! Umigdi ka na ba, Red? Jared, ba, umigdi ka na nga, ni. Bantayan mo igdi si Jared. Bantayan mo igdi si Jared, si Liam. Top, mag-ikot-ikot ka na sa first wall.
Isa. Kuya naman ko.
Top, ikot na sa first wall.
Na, I need one too.
Liam, tomorrow, if you win in the manhunt, you will be free.
And Jared.
Are you down or no down? Liam, I still see you, bro.
Reinforce this. Reinforce this. Reinforce this.
Ashley, pwede ka Ashley mag-mine.
Okay.
Didi? No! Cobblestone!
Ow, did you eat me? No.
Cobblestone, please. Please, I need this. I need this. Liam, please. Kaya po ang i-reinforce ang kulungan ni Liam. Red, sinabi kong magbantay ka sa baliyo.
Okay.
Dahil ka nang bubang, migdi ka nang... Nakulo ko mga kanihay.
Nakakatarik ang siliyan. Hindi pa rin. Kami.
Pickaxe! Eh, pang ko pickaxe red. Dali. Ako mo sako. Pickaxe. Pickaxe!
Mag-mind. Bakit?
Red, bantayan mo ko red ah.
Yes, sir. Ano?
Red, bukaan mo.
Yo, makita!
Liam, are you down for tomorrow manhunt? If you win, you will not be in cage anymore.
Yeah!
This is your food. Ouch. Let's go out, Jared. This.
Yan, ako na. Ayan, ako na. Ako.
Liam, do you know, Yam, why we cage you?
Why?
Because you're too dangerous to be left alive. You killed me in the...
I'm gonna stay here and protect it.
Tomorrow is the manhunt. After this night is the manhunt. Pero hindi sa Minecraft na night. Bakong sa aga.
Nothing, I got...
What do you mean makmak mo na si Liam?
He's breaking the wall!
Dali!
He get out!
Nakaginout siya!
Yeah!
Bro, dali! Alarm!
The wall!
Alarm! Oh! Ted! 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 Ted!
Go Sandy. He break the wall! He break the wall! Okay, I can get it.
Si Liam! Nagtutulog si Ted! 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 Objection! Capture Liam again! Ted! 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 Ted!